Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download MS Paint no virus for free. And before we continue this tutorial, like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Liking and subscribing really helps me creating more content like this, so please subscribe and like this video, share it and subscribe. So the first thing you must do is you must check what the version of Windows you're using. MS Paint work only on Windows 7 and 10. If you have Windows Vista or Windows 98, this wouldn't work, so you must use emulator or something. There are two ways to check what system you have. First method is to simply download a system detector. Link it will be in description. So you're gonna go to that site, link is in the description. Download Windows Detector. This is system detector, but I create this site and I'm dead. I'm brain dead. So you gonna download Windows Detector. I forgot to say, to properly work the system detector you must have Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 download. You're gonna download system detector. You're gonna open system detector. You're gonna Ctrl C that entire file. You're gonna Ctrl V. And you're gonna run the exe file. So you don't run these config.json files because or DLL, because if you run this file, this can destroy your BIOS. So you're gonna run this file, system detector, click for system info, and this will give you information if your system support. Okay, so if you have it, click for system info, and as you can see, the system detector detect that my system support installing MS Paint 3.0. So the second method is to simply open a Windows Explorer, go to your PC, go to properties, and you're gonna have it version Windows 10 Home or Windows 7. This is the second method how to check your system. The next thing you must do is download the Paint installer. I'm gonna download it. And this might take a while because the Paint installer is a huge file, so you must wait. So the first thing you must do after your Paint installer is installed, you must open this file, but wait, my Paint installer is installing right now on my computer. Go to Paint installer, go to installer exe, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. As you can see, this is an icon file. Installer exe, again run, and this is very important step. If you choose Windows 7, this can overclock your graphic card and your graphics card will burn. You don't want that, so you must wanna know what the version of Windows you're using. I know that I'm using Windows 10, so I'm gonna click that, and you must wait. And as you can see, you successfully installed MS Paint 3.0. So you're gonna close the program, and you're gonna type Paint, and as you can see, I have Paint right now. I don't have the Paint, so this works. And okay, so there you have it, MS Paint for free with no virus, Leave a like and subscribe to support me. Share it to your friends. If you don't have friends, that's not my problem. Install MS Paint 3.0 on every device that you're using, because Microsoft is trash and delete that from Windows 10. So you can now draw something like subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make more tutorial like this. Please subscribe.